Hey YouTube, this is Ombre Lee. Going to be doing a little bit of a review. Ordered a couple of things online. It was from an app that I got on my phone called Geek. They deal with another app called Wish. This is my first review video, so I just wanted to kind of share in what I'm going to do. So, Alright, so here's what we're doing. Got a couple of packages. As you can see, they came from a great little place in China there. Like I said, a couple of them here. Shipping from Shanghai. Hey, alright. But basically, what I'm going to do is open them up. Now I know that these are parts for my Dremel, because they are two that I ordered. So we're going to, of course, have our Dremel out here. And I'm going to go ahead and get that set up and open these packages. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, here's this one. And give me just a second here. I'm going to get these opened up. There's that. Alright, and that. Wonderful. Alright, get in here and show you what these items are. Now, this is a depth gauge here. Helps with a few things that people do with woodworking and so on. Kind of neat looking here. Let's open it up here. First thing I can see is it's definitely hard. It's not metal. It is a hard plastic, polymer type plastic. Looks pretty good. And there, let's see. Should have a depth gauge here. And probably loosen this little screw thing right here. And this should, oh yeah, there we go. It looks like it's marked 3/4 of an inch deep, 1/2 inch deep, 1/4 inch deep, and of course 0 is not going to be touching. So it looks like the ones that I've found at the store, ones in the stores were a little more expensive than what I gave for this one. I only gave, I want to say this was $3. And I paid maybe $1 on shipping, so $4, not bad. Looks pretty well constructed, and I'll hook it on and see what it looks like on the Dremel. All right, so I have it on the Dremel. Fits nicely, nice and tight. I've got my bit inside there. And I have it set at 3/4 of an inch for depth. So if I put this here on my tape measure and I let's get it as straight as possible here, and I look, well, that looks like it's going to be right at the 3/4 mark. So that's not bad, all in all. For $4, I can do some precision drilling with my Dremel. So I'm pretty happy with that first product. Let's look at the second one. Give me just a second and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and took this one out of the package, but as you can see, it's got Chinese writing on it. I have mixed reviews on this when I've read about it. Basically, a lot of people said, oh, it's no good, it's made out of plastic, it doesn't work right. You know, I looked all over for one of these things, and the cheapest ones I was finding were, you know, around $20 to $30. And I just didn't want to pay that. I paid $5 plus $2 shipping and handling for this. I did take it out of the package earlier, and basically, I'm pretty pleased. I have metal construction right here. Metal. All this is metal. The inside here, of course, you can see inside there has where it goes into the Dremel so that it will spin. One thing that I have seen is a lot of these will be plastic and they tend to break and not work. This is a metal bit holder. Definitely not a plastic bit holder. So as you can see, very nice construction. It's got good length to it, and all in all, looks like a pretty decent product. I'm going to hook it up to the Dremel and make sure it free spins, and I'm going to go ahead and hook that up before I come back. Alright, so I have attached it to my Dremel here. Nice tight fit there. Pretty long cord there. Got this, again, like I said, metal. And I'm going to put a tool in, and we're going to see how she spins. Alright, so as you can see, I've got a little wire brush in here now so that we can see it spinning. And I'm going to turn on the Dremel, and we're going to see how she does. So, give me just a second here, and I'm figure out how we're going to get the camera held and everything. There we go. Turn on the Dremel. Whoa, there it goes, spinning away. Not really wanting to keep focus, but I think you can see it spinning when I turn it on there. It does pretty nice. Holds the tools nice and tight. Comes with a little wrench looking thing here, and it's not an Allen wrench. It actually goes in the side hole here, and there's a little hole that holds it tight while you wrench that thing open and put the tool in. So all in all, pretty pleased. Looks like it works real well. Alright, so basically that's what I've got. I'm really pleased. I've got the depth gauge, and of course I've got my neat little Dremel extension for some wood carving and stuff like that. So I'm definitely pleased. I don't see why anybody would be real upset. China makes a lot of products, and I can just buy them from them, straight from them on Geek and or Wished, and get them cheap. So give it a try, and we'll talk at you later. Thanks, YouTube.